In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add public member profiles to your Webflow site. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're doing. Member profiles let visitors see key information about your members, like their name, bio, and avatar, in a clean, consistent layout. We'll use MemberStack's ready-made Webflow components so you can drop a profile form into your site quickly and style it to match your brand. Start by opening your MemberStack dashboard. This is your home base for components, settings, and everything related to member data. Once you're in, look for the components area. This section is a curated library of pre-built copy and paste elements designed specifically for Webflow so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, select Browse All Tags. Tags help you filter the component library so you can zero in on exactly what you need. You'll see categories and labels that group similar components together, which makes it much faster to find a profile layout that fits your use case. If you don't immediately see a profile option, use the search bar at the top to type profile. This will surface the profile-related components, including profile forms and layouts that display key member details. Searching is especially helpful if your library is large or you're working quickly and want to skip scrolling. Choose the profile form that best matches your design and data needs. You can preview the fields included, things like name, photo, bio, and social links, and pick the version that fits your site's tone, whether it's minimal or more feature-rich. When you found the one you like, use the copy button provided in MemberStack to grab the code or attributes. This ensures you're bringing over the correct markup and data hooks so it connects properly to MemberStack once it's on your site. Now switch back to Webflow. Open the designer and navigate to the page or template where you want public profiles to appear. Add an embed element or the appropriate container in your layout and paste in the component you copied from MemberStack. Place it exactly where you want the profile to render, such as a dedicated profile page or a section in a member directory. From here, you can style classes, adjust spacing, and fine-tune typography to match your site. As a best practice, only display fields you're comfortable making public and avoid exposing private details like emails by default. That's it. Your public member profile component is now in place and ready to customize visually. Nicely done, and congratulations on taking this important step toward a more engaging, community-driven Webflow site.